Hello students. In today's class we shall be looking for Act 2 Scene 3 of our play, that is Merchant of Venice, written by William Shakespeare. So let us begin the class. This scene introduces us to Shylock's daughter Jessica and to her love affair with Lorenzo. Shylock is not present in this scene, but the eagerness which Jessica manifests to leave her father's home adds to Shylock's image of a miserly tyrant. Jessica's plan to scope with Lorenzo gives Shylock another reason to hate Christians. Jessica gives Lancelot a message to be delivered to Lorenzo. Then expresses her plan to end the conflict between her love for Lorenzo and her loyalty to her father by marrying Lorenzo. So here in this scene we can see that this scene introduces Jessica, who was the daughter of Shylock. Okay, and also we will see here love affair that is between Lorenzo and Jessica. In this scene we will get that Shylock is not present, but what about Shylock's characteristics can be seen here in the mouth of Jessica, as she also does not like her house and the way Shylock behaves to others and all. So we can see here the characteristics of Shylock. And also we can see that Jessica's plan, okay, how she's going to leave and elope with her love Lorenzo. And she also gives Lancelot a message to be delivered to Lorenzo. And she's now going to leave her father's house and try to elope with her love. So these things we will see in this scene. Let us begin line by line. Here you can see scene 3, Venice. It is the scene of Venice. See, a room in Shylock's house. Enter Jessica and Lancelot. So here we have two characters, Jessica and Lancelot. What Jessica says, say here: I am sorry, thou wilt leave my father so. Our house is hell, and thou, a merry devil, didst rob it of some taste of tediousness. So here in this line you can see that Jessica, as before this scene 2, I explained you that now Lancelot is going to have the servant of Bassanio, and he is ready to leave his old master, who is Shylock's service now. So that is why Jessica is saying here that I am sorry that thou also going to leave my father's, means your old master, in our house. She say that she's saying that our house is hell. Okay, so she's sorry that he, means Lorenzo, will leave her father's father's service. And she also said that our house is hell and you are a happy devil. See that, merry devil, merry means happy. She says that you are a happy devil, means you are the only person who sometimes make jokes, and also you have some taste, that what are the tediousness is there in our house. So with that, with the presence of you only, it can be boredom. So you robbed it from some taste of boredom. So you are also going, and as she mentioned that her house is like hell. Okay, see, again she says, but fare thee well, there is a ducat for thee. She says that, oh, it's okay if you're getting, no problem, you can take this ducat. She says that goodbye, there's a dollar for you. Ducat is a dollar. So she gave a dollar to Lancelot, and she wished him and says, and Lancelot, soon at supper shalt thou see Lorenzo, who is thou new master's guest. New master's guest means Bassanio's friend. Okay, so Lorenzo will be you will get Lorenzo where? You will meet Lorenzo where? At your master's house. Okay, there you will see him at supper time. Give him this letter. Okay, she gave a letter to Lancelot to be delivered it to Lorenzo. Clear? And do it secretly. Here she says that you have to give this letter to Lorenzo secretly. And so, farewell. I would not have my father see me in talk with thee. So, again she said that I would not have my father see me talking with you. So that is why just now you have to leave. What about Launcelot? Say, Launcelot say, adieu means farewell. Tears my exhibit tongue, most beautiful pagan, most sweet Jew. So here, Launcelot is, that he always give comics relief in his talkings. Here he says that goodbye, adieu means goodbye. He's saying that tears exhibit my voice, means my tears stops me to say something. Okay, you most beautiful pagan. Pagan means the person who is not believing in any religion, the non-believer of non-religion believer. Okay, non-religion believer. So that is why she said that you are the most sweet Jew. Okay, you are the Jew, but as your love is for other religions also, so that is why you are beautiful pagan. If a Christian do not play the knave and get thee, I am much deceived. Okay, she said that beautiful pagan, you are the most Jew. If a Christian does not play the rogue and does you and get you, I am much deceived, but goodbye. Anyhow, he is saying that you are the one to whom all the Christian can respect you, can love you, because you have such types of quality. But adieu, I cannot stop my tears. These foolish drops do somewhat drown my manly spirit. Says that my tears, as the tears is somewhere not suited on a man, but anyhow these tears stops me to say something, and is that my man is somewhere hurt my manly spirit. So that is why they comes in my eyes. Clear? Adieu. Now farewell. Jessica, farewell, good Launcelot, and then he Launcelot exit. Clear? Again she says, alack. Here alack is alas. Clear? Alack is alas. He's saying that farewell, good. Oh, sorry. Yeah, yes. What heinous sin it is in me. Heinous sin means deadly. Okay, so heinous is DEAD. She's saying that I'm here, that is somewhere not good for me. It is somewhere deadly sin that is in my house. I am here to be ashamed to be my father's child. So it is somewhere very bad that I am feeling ashamed to be my father's child. See, Jessica should not say like that as she's a daughter, but she's saying that I am ashamed of to be the daughter of my father, to be the child of my father. But though I am the daughter of his blood, I am not to his manners. Okay, because what villainous character Shylock has, what villainous character Shylock has. So with these characters, she's saying that I am not like my father's. Okay, what manners, what characteristics he has. I am not like that. Even I am the I'm his blood. I'm Jew, but I'm not like him. Oh Lorenzo, if you keep a promise, I shall end this strife. Okay, I can change my religion and become a Christian. So if you keep me promise with whatever plan we have, that you will elope with me, if you will promise me, I will turn my religion, I become a Christian and thy loving wife. So here this scene finished. That was a short scene. These things, here we have a conversation between Launcelot and Jessica, as Jessica gave a letter to be given to Shylock, to be given to Lorenzo. And also she says that in the mouth of Jessica, William Shakespeare just wanted to say that Shylock is really a character who has the quality, even his daughter also does not like him. So student, I hope this class is clear to you. So till that time, thank you so much.